Dito kami magkakape sa magandang kapihan. Ang ganda rito. Ha? Okay na yung breakfast, Jaja, oh. May 39 na. May 39. Kasi yan. Ayan sila rin itong ganito. May tsa-tsa. Hindi, nag-order si Krong Krong. Tapos na siya rin. Sarap. Kakapi kami. Ano pangalan nito? What's the name of that? Makikita yun. Barney's Gourmet Restaurant. Sarap. Hindi ko kakain na itlog.
Coffee ka o orange juice ka na lang?
Coffee na, no?
Coffee ka din?
Oh.
What are the options for coffee?
Sige, orange juice. Tayo ang coffee. Para hati tayo.
Parang coffee.
Then, which kind of egg do you like? Plain omelette, omelette with cheese, omelette with vegetables, or poached egg?
1 second. The coffee.
The coffee, that brings that from there. These fresh juices, mojito. Anything else, ma'am?